Hi there, students. Concinnity. Okay, this is quite a good word. You'll probably find most native speakers don't know what it means. Concinnity is the quality of harmony between the different parts of a whole. They use this particularly for when people are writing or speaking. So concinnity in expressing yourself. You can use it for other things though. So, for example, his speech showed great concinnity. Okay, the tone and the harmony and the way it sounded and the vocabulary he used were very good. Great writers have concinnity in their writing. So, for example, Jane Austen has the quality of concinnity. You can use it for other things as well. For example, these gardens have a lot of concinnity. Okay, the different plants are in harmony, and it looks very, very easy on the eye. A flower arrangement needs concinnity to be beautiful. A group of buildings could show concinnity. Okay, so there's a harmony in the whole which is provided by the choice, the colour, the shape of the different parts of the whole. Now, formality. This word concinnity is extremely formal. If you use it in the pub, everyone's going to say, what does that mean? I would only use this in a formal framework. Maybe if you used it in your academic writing, it would be a good word. Maybe you could use the phrase, I wish I could write with more concinnity. If you write with concinnity when you do the written sections of your essays, you're going to get a very good grade. Okay? So, concinnity. A literary word, a posh word, extremely formal, and most natives are not going to know it. Okay? So, concinnity. Harmony of the different parts, giving a whole that is very beautiful, very lovely, and particularly we use this when expressing yourself. When you express yourself with ease, with elegance, the vocabulary goes very well together, it's quite short and succinct, and that's the idea of concinnity. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Concinnity.